Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into train. 11 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Rank. Which means a single line of soldiers or police officers drawn up abreast. Rank. For example, they were drawn up outside their barracks in long ranks. Number 2. Procession. Which means a number of people or vehicles moving forward in an orderly fashion, especially as part of a ceremony. Procession. For example, a ceremonial procession through the town. Number 3. Queue. Which means a line or sequence of people or vehicles awaiting their turn to be attended to or to proceed. Queue. For example, there was a queue of people waiting for the bus. Number 4. Convoy. Which means a group of ships or vehicles traveling together, typically one accompanied by armed troops, warships, or other vehicles for protection. Convoy. For example, the convoy of vehicles left at 11:30 p.m. Number 5. Progression. Which means a number of things in a series. Progression. For example, a progression of calm, still days and nights. Number 6. Succession. Which means a number of people or things of a similar kind following one after the other. Succession. For example, she had been secretary to a succession of board directors. Number 7. Caravan. Which means any large group of people, typically with vehicles or animals, traveling together in single file. Caravan. For example, a caravan of cars and trucks. Number 8. File. Which means a line of people or things one behind another. File. For example, files of tourists stream up the narrow lanes of Mont Saint-Michel. Number 9. Cavalcade. Which means a formal procession of people walking, on horseback, or riding in vehicles. Cavalcade. For example, a royal cavalcade proceeded through the city. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.